This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 70 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. We've already done a leg and most of an arm and the chest, torso and head bit. We're continuing the arm here, the left arm. Time for extinction. Yeah, the Dinobots. Chaos Bringer, Mighty Evil Unicron. Sound evil. Sounds alright, Unicron. Sounds like a shop. Perceptor. Sort of camera, binoculars or something. Don't know. Autobots of Energon. Transformers Energon from 2005. Yeah, no, doesn't do anything for me. Don't like them. They're obviously, again, made up of separate pieces. Don't know. Seems to be getting in on the Morphing Power Rangers ballpark thing, but not so bad. They look very car-like and very robot-like, but not much of a transformation. So yes, the left arm part 7, we've got the outer forearm armor. So again, putting it together and putting it onto the arm, and then another little piece sort of joins it together. And that's the lower arm pretty much done as far as I can tell. It all looks completed in there. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So the pieces that we've got another nicely painted, nicely graduated, that paintwork. Well, like that. This is going onto there. That doesn't matter which way round it goes because it is round. Doesn't have any detail parts on there. We just go on there. This one goes in the little hole underneath it. Like so. Then we've got the big bit. 3 pins on there to line up across there. Nice. I like a good snap. Then this is going onto the outer forearm. What have we got? I've got 2 pins there. Don't line up with that. I thought it was going to go onto there, but it's not. Let's have a look. Ah, no, it's going in there and there. That, sure about that now. That doesn't feel quite how it looks in the picture though. But try and get these lined up then. One on there. I'm gonna go down there. Not convinced now. I don't know, but that's a moulded fixed piece. That's not something that I've put on wrong, is it? No. That way round. That way round fits better. There we go. Get it right. Pay attention to the pictures. Better. And then you got 2 little pins that are going to line up in there as well. That and that. Going through together nicely like so. There's obviously something's going to go up in the end there, but don't know for what yet. And then this piece is going onto there. That way round. That way round, isn't it? Yeah. Right, it's all the other way around. So that would go on there. Like that. Maybe. Or maybe not. Yes, it definitely seems to be that way around. As far as I can tell, I'll have a closer look just to make sure, but that definitely seems to line up better up there. that picture. So yeah, there we go. That's that. Yeah, lower forearm is pretty much done as far as I can tell from that. Pretty big gap along there. I don't know, is that... Yeah, this might not be fully in quite. Oh, maybe the other side wasn't either. It's not going in any more than that. There might well be something else that will fill in gaps and stuff. This bit still moves anyway. I like it. There's more to go on because there's a bit of detail on there. So there we have it. That is that. Yeah, it doesn't quite join up because there's extra bits that sort of join up anyway, but that's all right. I'm happy with that. Looking good and looking like it belongs. That's good. I think there's more to happen on the arm next time, but soon we're going to be moving on to the other foot, starting the new leg. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for some more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.